Thursday morning, we got the backhoe coming here. You know, you guys have seen us at this job, at this place before. Yeah, buddy. Al, say hi to everybody. We're keeping our distance. I think there's just that pile of gravel at the front. This gravel is a little old because it's still frozen from the winter time. We'll make do with it. This is a temporary fix. The owner knows that. We'll come back in the summertime once things are totally defrosted and we'll work it out then. Okay, Friday, we're taking the backhoe home to my house and we're gonna detail the inside of it. I don't know, I might be able to hook up water at my house. It's still kind of cold outside and in the wintertime, pipes freezes and stuff. Let's fire it up, bring her home, and let's clean the inside of it because it needs to be done and I've been using it all winter. There's a lot of guys whose backhoes are probably in worse condition than this, but let's take her on a tour. Looks like we got a bit of an accident here. I think these people hit each other. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. That sucks. Oh, they didn't get hit. They're just stopped in a bad spot. Get out of my way! I'm in a backhoe! Ah! So, we need to see what we have for cleaning supplies. I'm hoping we have enough of stuff. Of Armor All Original, I'll use. I'm gonna be using Armor All Original Protectant, but I'm not gonna start with these. I need to take care of the floor and the dirt that's on the floor, and then from there, what we're gonna do is use a Lysol Cleaner. It's an antibacterial cleaner. It just disinfects and kind of cleans and gets the grease and dirt and grime, rather than just, people always think they're cleaning stuff and all they're doing is just coating it with more Armor All. You need to clean it first and then put this stuff over top.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse.
Next thing I'm gonna do is use Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Smells like green apple. We're just going to spray down everything basically here other than the floor. Floor will be the last thing that I do, but I'm gonna start kind of up here with radio stuff, handles, door handles, all this, all the main controls. You guys can see how dusty everything is. Kind of approach, man, listen to this. I need to put some grease on that. With these things, these seem to be always a problem with operators, and I really can't stress enough, man, it's so annoying, the seat, how important it is to lift up. You don't want to pull them out like that, but lift them up. And what I do is I take the microfiber cloth and I put it underneath the lip, and then I just go all the way around and I just get out all the shit that's stuck in here. I think my guys should be pretty happy that I'm getting all this stuff cleaned out. And you know, not only for my guys, but it's for myself too. Peace of mind, knowing that stuff's gonna be clean and not, you know, affected by everything that's kind of been going on. To me, is what I find really makes a detailing job is whenever somebody goes into these little nooks and crannies down in here and really kind of clean out. It's kind of protocol for us. Like I always tell the guys, you know, if we have time on a Friday afternoon and somebody wants to stay and wipe stuff down, wiping stuff down is really helpful, but every now and then you need to do a full-on clean like this. like perfect temperature outside today if you keep that door closed. What we're gonna do now, everything's wiped down, everything's nice and good. What we're gonna do is clean the inside of the windows. I'm not so worried about the outside because they're just gonna get dirty again. And then I use paper towel for windows. I use microfiber cloths for stuff like this, but then I use paper towels for windows because I find the microfiber cloth, they leave streaks because they don't, once they get wet, they kind of stay a little bit wet rather than dry. So that's why I use paper towel. So let's do the windows. Swept it all. Now we're gonna make it slick. Because I like protecting it. The problem with sometimes what happens with these, if you don't kind of treat your floor mats, and I know a lot of guys won't believe me, but they will actually dry out and it kind of cracks. So it is good to keep them a little more moisture than usual. That's why I am using this other stuff. But that being said, I'm fully aware that this is just a Backhoe and it's not a Ferrari. So, am I gonna go crazy and get a toothbrush out? Maybe not. But am I gonna clean it? Yeah, I am. Because there's no room in here for a 6'3" guy. But I mean, I'm not complaining. There is a lot of room compared to, I remember when we demoed a John Deere backhoe, and I know you John Deere guys aren't gonna wanna hear this, but you cannot compare the cab of a John Deere to a cab. Dude, I hate cars that sound like that. Yes, I am wearing socks in my backhoe now. This is where you push to open the cab, the hood. That's good. Those grease zerks have not been done in a bit. Check the oil when we're under here. And this is gonna sound terrible, but I don't know where you fill up the windshield washer fluid in this. Let's call Al.
You've reached.
Al, where the fuck would this be? Cluster's completely clean. That. We got ourselves a clean backhoe now. Alrighty, we made her. I mean, look at it. I just wore my boots in it and maybe got the ground a little dirty, but again, not a Ferrari, it's a backhoe. Main thing for me was cleaning off the dust, getting it nice and clean looking on the inside. Look at the shine, look at that. I mean, that's a scuff there from, I think there used to be a dangly key thing there, but look at that. This is all nice and cleaned up. This stuff's all beautiful looking. All the cup holders, we got the coffee stains off, everything. Floor still looks nice and clean. I'm super happy with this. Damn, man. And it's a beautiful sunny day out, and now we're gonna go isolate ourselves in the middle of nowhere in the bush with a four-wheeler, and we might have a cold one. I'm not guaranteeing that though. All right, let's roll. You guys see me from up there? Woo, baby! Beautiful sunny day. All right, been a while, as you can tell, since I started this thing. Let's see if it'll start and if I don't need to get a battery charger out here. Please start. Yeah, baby. I consider this isolation. And then my battery died. So we used an extension cord to boost it. right, it worked. We got it started with an extension cord. All right, last day of isolation is today, currently Saturday, the day that I'm making the video that you guys are watching right now. I ended up coming home after being on the bike. We sent the drone up in the air just in front of me where I'm looking right now, and we got some unreal shots of some geese. And I know that maybe some of you guys don't care, but maybe some of you do. I'll put that stuff at the end of the video, but I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Detailing the backhoe was super important for me, especially with everything that's going on right now. I wanted to make sure it was sanitized and clean. I'm super happy I got that done. It turned out awesome. And I think next what I'm going to be doing is the tractor that just got freshly painted, the new rig. It's coming back to the yard from getting safetied. Once it's back, I'm gonna bring it home. We're gonna shine it all up, and we're gonna shine up the chrome on it, and it's gonna turn out awesome, and I want to show you guys that. So I want you guys to let me know if you guys want to see that sort of stuff in the comments below. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. I think I checked yesterday and we're at like 52.4% of you guys that are watching right now aren't subscribed. So please do that. Show your support. I really appreciate it. Other than that, thank you guys for watching today. I appreciate you. Have an awesome Saturday. Stay positive, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you guys happen to be one of the true patriots that are watching right now, I want you guys to comment down below, clean her up. Why clean her up? Well, we got that backhoe all sparkled up, sanitized, shined up, ready to go to work when we can go back to work. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, clean her up. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.